Oh, yes. How am I ever going to stay in here? I don't think I'm going to make it. Get out, Stephen. Get out. Get out, you know you want to. Get out, it's warm. You don't have to be cold. Stop trying to breathe to get rid of my voice. You're never going to get rid of my voice. I exist not just inside you. I exist because I am you. Wait, what are you doing? Stop. That's better. Panic. Oh, stop relaxing. Stop bloody... Oh, this is how I get quieter, the more relaxed you get. Stephen, get out. Get it. Damn it. Okay, you've won this time. But I'll be back next time to get you out. To save you. You don't listen to me when I'm telling you to get out. But it's cold. You needn't be this cold. You can be warm. Warm, Stephen. No, wait, don't think warm. You'll stay longer. Get cold. Get out. Come on. A minute and a half is plenty. You've got stuff to do. That's it. Knew I'd win eventually. Stop shaking your feet off and get out.